Okay, when it comes to management of time and pay data, you do everything you can to stay compliant with regulations like FLSA or Sarbanes-Oxley, plus internal policies for productivity, tardiness, and time theft. But today, so many businesses are overwhelmed with the amount of time and level of detail required to play by the rules. Those manual processes are too slow and cumbersome, sometimes even hindering the compliance they're supposed to support. And all errors present a litigation risk or needless cost. Well, wouldn't it be great if you could reduce your compliance risk with an easy, automated, cloud-based system? You can with the time and attendance management solution from Replicon. Replicon streamlines timesheets and payroll processes while helping you automate and enforce labor policies and other business rules, ensuring accurate employee pay and eliminating time theft. And with detailed, accurate records, you reduce the time and risk level associated with an audit. Let's take a look at how Replicon helps to accurately track employee time. Employees enter hours against specified activities, and daily totals are automatically calculated. Validation rules prevent erroneous time entry. They can be created on the fly and associated with specific users or groups. For example, limit the total number of work hours in a day, and if exceeded, an error message will direct the employee to correct the error. Absence management is also brought into compliance. Replicon can be easily configured to allow employees to only book the time off they have available, or to only go into the negative by a predefined amount. Once time is booked, it's automatically reflected on the timesheet, so that no time will be entered for that period. Flexible pay codes ensure correct payment. Use the defaults or create your own. Each pay code is calculated with customizable overtime rules and an infinite number of graduated tiers for calculating overtime. Individualized email alerts for employees and supervisors drive submissions and approvals. When a timesheet is late, the supervisor can take corrective action by overriding the submission. Replicon's mobile app gives you even more accuracy, tracking time as it happens. And Replicon's Cloud Clock captures an image of who's clocking in or out, so it's not possible to steal time or buddy punch. Replicon helps to manage and track policies and business rules for overtime, time off, meal breaks, and more. Automate and enforce time off policies with configurable rules. Add or create as many as you'd like. You can also add and modify employee types, easily classifying them into groups for payroll and reporting. Monitor overtime and absences with robust reporting that gives you visibility into attendance and compliance data, making data collection easy with configurable reports for actionable insights. A centralized payroll view brings all time and attendance functions onto a single screen. See the status of any timesheet across the organization, where it's at in the approval path, and override accordingly. Replicon helps to manage time records and payroll data required for audit processes. Flexible approval workflows ensure appropriate controls in approving employee time. Use default approval paths or create your own. All timesheet changes are tracked and will provide an audit trail in case of an investigation. Employee data is securely stored in the cloud and easily exported to Excel, PDF, or email. With Replicon, you make sure your time and attendance data is accurate and reduce your risk by staying compliant, lowering the cost of doing so. Ready to make compliance worries a thing of the past at your organization? Contact us today for a free trial.